to moderate. Yesterday's summer warmth in the northeast will subside a bit as this cold front moves in to moderate it. You see on the other side of this double frontal system, like Toronto's looking at 55, New York at 79. I say we're going to moderate, but we're not really going to chill because we still just chill, man. We're not just not going to chill like they do in Bermuda, because in Bermuda there is this Bermuda high, which is really kind of keeping everything in check and acting as sort of a moderator. So as the boundaries do pass over, there may be some much needed scattered showers that could pop up from southern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania tonight into tomorrow. However, the gusty winds combined with this low humidity lead to extremely high fire danger conditions. I mean, the fact is right now in the northeast region, it is a drought, it is dry. If you've overseeded your lawn and you aren't keeping up on watering it daily, hello, guilty. We're doing little more than just feeding the squirrels at this point. But we do have rain on the map, and that rain is down in the Gulf, and we're going to zoom in a little bit on that. Some severe weather continues along the Gulf coastal states, and you can really see from the radar picking up the deep reds through, and it's passing off the Texas Gulf and moving eastward. It is a very slow moving system, and as it does make its trek in an easterly direction, could bring some rain into the Carolinas as well. Some flood watches are in effect as this slow moving system is likely to bring several inches of rain into the region of parts of Texas, and as we move into Mobile and Tallahassee with that. Now, into the northwestern part of the country, we do have another offshore system which is moving in, and that frontal system is bringing in a little bit more moisture, some rainfall-wise. Now, the first leg of the flight brought her to Santa Maria in the Azores Islands, and that she actually started out in the United States, worked her way over, and her plane worked a lot better than my finger is apparently right now. There we go. And that was stop number 1. Today there it's going to be cloudy and 61. From there, it's to Casablanca in Morocco. Temperatures there will be 65. It will be sunny skies. The next leg on that flight was to Algeria. Today, Algeria will have some rain today. From there were some technical problems, but she made it over to Cairo. It's going to be warm there, making it up to 91 under sunshine, and then all the way out to New Delhi was the next stop. The flight path continued from New Delhi in India as we rev up our engines. Again, that's actually where she did have to rev down her engines for some repairs. But then the Spirit of Columbus was back on the air and on its way to Bangkok. Dun, da, 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 da. It's going to be very warm there, 99 degrees with thunderstorms. And then the Philippines. And from the Philippines, went back to Guam into U.S. airspace and to Hawaii. And in the U.S. airspace takes us back into the